Now, pitch that over boss no. That is the cradle and the golden egg, as it were. Take away the pitch, grass no. What do you have? You can't do anything.
Yes.
It's a pitch now, yeah, respected pitch. Yeah, invested in the pitch over the years. I bet to say habits. Akayo. It's Okakra say, let's even look at hybrid pitches. Now Oka say, hey, it will cost €200,000 to put it in place. Hey, no. Now common pitch, and so pitch, just the pitch, just grass. Yeah, we can get some. And you see, that is the conversation and the psyche that we have, because we don't show that respect to our sports, our pitches, our football, maybe even to our athletes. But we want results. It cannot happen. And unfortunately or unfortunately for me, maybe I'm in Free I cannot come here and sit and do diplomacy. It wouldn't make sense, because if I was on the other side of the microphone, I would ask the same questions you're asking, and I would demand answers. It's about Nosana. I have to speak to the issues, put emotions aside, and address it as it is. Where in MPP, NDC, it is Ghana sports.
When I listen to you, I get hope. But anytime I've listened to you, you are not speaking like the normal politician. When your appointment, you want to cover up everything. You lay the issues bare for everybody.
So we cover up Krasa in the end. I'll be exposed if I try to, So there's a problem. Let's solve it. And thankfully, His Excellency the President has said, I'm going to help you guys. Let me know what must be done. And that is when now we have to be very honest as if it's the President. This and this and that. And once the President, he's aware, he's making sure and giving instructions that, look, if traditionally we don't have budgets for ABCD, we have health, education, roads. There are so many areas that, as a nation, you need to be very careful how you apportion funds, and you give yourself time. If this year we can't give sports 100 million, and they're 20 and 30, next year let's give them double, so that we can use it for roads infrastructure, for health, for education, for security. All these things.